I'm using Claude Code to run my SEO agency, to build websites, deploy lead generation systems, and to push code live in under a few minutes. Here's exactly what that looks like right now and what's actually working. Welcome back to the Digital Growth Stage channel. I'm John Williams. We cover local SEO, web design, and lead generation for professional service businesses. Practical enough to apply it with a small team. So let's get into it. This is a drawing of my lead generation engine. Claude Code scrapes a business's current homepage, and then we rebuild it through our SEO framework, and then it deploys straight to a Cloudflare page from our private server. So now I can redesign an accounting homepage in under 90 seconds, include it in a cold email that grabs their attention and has my booking link. We had our first batch of 600 redesigns finished over the weekend, and then our SMTP email sending function finally fired correctly for mass emails. This week is our first test of this system. Once it's live, the link for the redesigns gets placed straight into the outbound email. The potential client then sees an enhanced version of their website before we've ever talked. This is a quick look at what those look like. Strong Hero section that would usually pull in their top images on the right-hand side, a buzz bar with their trusted partners, an About section, a Process and Our Method section with an animation. And you can see that this animation is very well detailed, some client results, and then a strong CTA at the bottom. So this is what the redesigns look like currently. Really excited to see this take off and to start seeing the feedback. Okay, cool. We got a quick rankings update. Both of our current SEO clients, I'm happy to report, are on the first page of Google right now. We're working on stacking a few more keyword rankings on top of that, and that's the next phase, but I don't want to go into too much about what we're doing specifically for their build-outs. On my end, J. Williams Designs already had page 2 rankings in San Francisco. What I wasn't doing was maximizing the rest of the Bay Area. 3 weeks of targeted blog content, and now I'm hitting page 2 for SEO Oakland, SEO Walnut Creek, and SEO San Mateo. So let me go ahead and show you those increases. Okay, so we have one here, local SEO San Mateo, now ranked currently in the top 10. And then we have Walnut Creek coming in at 10.7 and local SEO Oakland coming in at 11.5. Huge. I have over 600 backlinks and a domain rating of about 40, which is great for a small agency. What I wasn't doing was telling Google where else I wanted to compete. I built out some custom pages to showcase that information and the keywords, and in under 3 weeks, I'm showing up almost in the top 10 for all 3 of those cities and the SEO services tied to them. Now, I have something fun that I want to introduce today. It's a side project that I'm working on. It's called AISalesTraining.net. The site's only 3 weeks old. Google's associating it with AI Sales Coach, which actually has the most impressions from the site. That's the early signal. I've already checked SEMrush so that I can see where the most search traffic is generated, and that way I can build out towards those areas. This is what week 1 kind of looks like. I'll follow up with this after we build out more citations and there's a bit more information. So where we are in general at the moment, we have 2 clients right now. We updated our web design pricing and we lost over half of our client base in the last month. We are feeling the pains around that, but still moving forward with tenacity. We're full steam ahead on our cold calling campaign and starting the new cold email campaign tomorrow to help out with the decrease in monthly recurring revenue. Our agency overhead is under $1,200 a month. Right now, we're paying for Claude Code, the Anthropic API, an email marketing platform, Descript, the video editor, GoDaddy domains, a lead gen scraping and enriching platform, database storage and compute platform, Adobe Photoshop, our hosting, and then our rank tracking software and our call tracking software. Those would be all of the things that we're actually paying for under the hood that keep this engine running. At the moment, all of our deliverables are on point. Our reporting is on point. So that's the foundation. Everything else gets built on top of that. All right, quick note. So I created an app that I want you to test out. If you're building a business, you know that closing is the hard part. Conflict is guaranteed to show up around value, budget, and pricing. Traditionally, salespeople fail when their body fills with adrenaline before they can even take a deep breath or before they can ask for money. If that's you, then AISalesTraining.net is for you. I built this out of a real need to train myself, and I had my own language pattern gaps to overcome. So this isn't a one-way ticket into sales. That would be a different journey. This is built for entrepreneurs, for owners, and for managers. Anyone handling conflict where revenue is on the line. Without a safe place to get in those reps, you will keep misreading what's actually happening in those conversations, just like I was. So we do have a free 1-day trial for our AI sales trainer right now. It's for a limited time, and if you're a sales manager running a small team, if you need a way to train them, something that tracks the gaps in their objection handling and scripting, and then drills the language patterns that they're missing, this is built for that too. There's a link in the description. Everything that I find in the field, what I'm paying for, what worked, and what didn't, goes straight into my newsletter. It takes about 10 seconds to sign up. The link is in the description, and that's all I got to report for now. I'll talk to you soon.